Hey, salamat. Sure. Lang nung Arabican. Na.
Ayan, Leo.
New Year.
Oh, okay.
New Year.
Happy New Year.
New Year, John. New Year. Hey. Yell out. New Year. Wait, how's it going? What you doing? Oh, you doing it? New Year, again.
What the fuck? That's my daughter.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Dad.
The Trevor Project is a leading organization working to connect LGBTQ youth to reside in the U.S. and beyond. You can reach our campaign partners 24/7 by phone or through chat. We also run Trevor Project, a safe space for social justice. Plus, our innovative
New Year,
research,
Alex.
education, and advocacy programs work every day to make a safer and more equitable. No matter what you're going through, the Trevor Project is always there. Reach out to our treat counselors 24/7, always secure, and
Ano man lang ito na natin?
working full-time and earning a bachelor's degree. At University of Phoenix, I learned career relevant skills with skills I can use now, not just after graduation.
Hey, Barat, malaw-law ka natin. So, kaya, bakit? Parolo. Nanausin ko.